All right, let's look and see what the market did today. Looks like NAS 100 broke out of this trend, saw this nice, beautiful W, and it never really made it past the actual W. As soon as we saw the bullish engulfing, usually when you see bullish engulfing, the next candle uses the whole body as a support, and it just shot up. We had a little candle here that don't know what really happened there, but nonetheless, that would have been a nice little trade right there. I just did not catch that one. So on the DXY, what we did in class is this. All right, so this is weekly. We had a break. I mean a rejection. I'm sorry. We had a nice W that formed a while back, and it broke the W, but it came back to this retest area, as you can see. Put that on, you'll see the beautiful retest area. And we had a rejection. We anticipated this rejection because we were looking for buys in GU, EU, AU, all the U's. So when we saw this class, we anticipated that move so we can get the, we're in EU right now. Still waiting for it to come back to this area. And well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start closing half of it out, putting stops at break even. EU. So that dollar, if you don't know, the dollar index moves complete opposite of GU, NU, AU, and depending on the currency strength of them, of course. So I think GU moved first because GBP had the better currency strength, and Australia moved last because it had the least for this time. So the EU was the second to the last. NU moved after GBPU moved. So we're still in EU. We got AU. Is this AU for real? That's how it looks. Yeah, you're right. All right, so there we're in AU. I'll show you what the entry. I got it down here. We got the entry down there. Stops below the whole structure. I waited for it to come down there too. Because I really want to take it to this this area right here. But let me show you something with AU real quick. Just looking at it, and when you train your eye, you'll see this. Let me get it all set up. 1 second. There it is. All right. I was trying to find it. I found it. We might be experiencing a channel forming, and I'm really good at finding these channels. So AU, let's see how it looks on the day. So we could possibly, let's delete that. We could possibly get it. If this channel is valid, we might get a nice move back up here. But if we swing the AU, we're gonna need our stop loss to give, our take profit. Yeah, I'm tripping. Our stop loss is gonna have to have some real deep breathing room if we take this channel. I gotta see how it closes and stuff for the week and all that. GBP USD, we are still in. Don't mind those markings. I was thinking of something else. But we're still in. Stops are still at break even. Taking it back up here. NU. We're in NU too. USD. Still in profit. Don't worry about those lines. I was just short, illustrating what the market does. So we're honestly with NU close to hitting TP, and we caught this move. Of course, we came and we did the actual marking the chart, but this move was made because the DXY rejected. And as you can see, the last candle was a bearish engulfing. Market probably still going to push down really nicely. So what we did not do, which I usually do, if the dollar is going to be bearish, then USD Chef obviously looks just like it. I didn't get in the trade. I was after this bearish engulfing candle, I thought maybe it'll come back up and retest, and then we were going to get in, but it never did. So we missed out on USD Chef coming back down there, but it's okay. Because at this point, I don't think it might even come all the way down that far anyway. Because now if we look at it, we might have, let's see. Those fibs in. If it gets right here, we're getting closer to that 38, and it might just bounce right back up. So, but it might not come to take these highs out. It might give us a nice little pullback somewhere where we can get back in, and if it drops, then we'll get, you get the deal. Dollar pairs are very easy to trade once you understand DXY and the other XYs. UJ was screaming sell 2 days ago, but I was in my feelings about UJ. Because I had a sell in it 3 days ago, and what ended up happening was it shot up and it hit my break even, and it annoyed me, so I just stopped looking at UJ. But I shouldn't have done that. See the bearish engulfing? If you go on the monthly, we go to the monthly, we put fractals in. Look at all these fractals right here. So this was the retest area right here. It rejected the retest area. Of course, it's going to take a while, but what in theory, even on the weekly, we have that frackle on the weekly that showed up. Usually, as you see with fractals, they reverse. So we have a reversal that could come possibly out of this after this rejection, and it makes a little sense. Maybe we have a push back down to this area right here. And that's what I was trying to trade it to in the first place. And that's based off the DXY if it makes that move. And based off the JXY, I was going to say G, the JXY. Because the JXY, it's keeping a good support. So the JXY is keeping really good support right here. It's just a nice little wick down and liquidity grab, as you want to call it. And I feel like it's going to start making its way back up. And if JXY starts making its way back up, then we'll see all the Japanese yen pairs take a really nice seat. Like sit down, meaning sell. Gold sold off a tad bit on, I don't know what's going on. This inflation news got gold acting really goofy. I didn't take any gold trades. I could have took this, but look at this wild candle. I don't like when stuff happens like that. So daily wise, we did have a frackle right there. We have a weekly yet. We don't have a weekly. We do have a daily frackle. So this is a bona fide pullback area. The last area that was broken. Do you see it? This would be the area that I'm looking at. We didn't, hold on. We didn't even get a retest of that area, honestly. Let's go to H4 real quick. Rackles off. Trying to look for the area. All right, there it is. So every time we came here, it just dropped. So I remember we all had sales right here thinking it was just going to drop again, and it broke. It broke on us because of that inflation news, and it just kept dropping. I mean, it kept flying. And now we're at this point where we probably have, let's check it out. Might have diversions. All right. Bona fide divergence. RSI is making lower lows while price is making higher highs. Let's get one more oscillator in there to confirm. I always use the one more oscillator, which is my awesome oscillator by Mr. William Freckles. And we have a confirm. We have lower lows. So gold might be dropping soon. Let's make that small so we can see price, action, auto. Yeah, so gold probably took his last tip right there, and it's probably gonna drop and come down here. When is this gonna happen? Who knows? But we do have H4 divergence, which H4 divergence, usually we'll at least get it to here. So at least we'll see is maybe this move might happen. This might be some, just over exaggerate. We might have a channel that comes down there. And now I love channels on gold because we just keep buying and selling off the channel until it breaks. The channel might form. But we'll see. So that's what I saw in the market. We also took odd CAD because odd CAD is close to AU in a sense, and we might have a nice swing. I'm seeing a little cup forming here, and it might just break to the upside, or it could break down, but I'm seeing more upside curl. Can you see it? So, and let's see what the AXY is like. AXY looks like AU. AU looks like it wanted to start making a channel anyway, even on the weekly. You can even see this on the weekly. So yeah, we'll see. But that's what I saw on the market. We caught some really good trades again. Like I keep telling my students, trading is easy. Make it, make it make sense. Make it be easy for you. And you'll win. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Hold on, let me show you something before we conclude this. But that was on AU. So it pulled back to retest that anyway, and then that's why it dropped. Head and shoulders. See the sharp moves, came back and retested that. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, well, that's what we saw in the market. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.